In today's video, I'll show you how to use an adjustment layer to make video look better. If you watch the video all the way through right to the end, I'll show you a neat trick for quickly creating a black and white effect using an adjustment layer. Let's get started. Open a new Inshot project by tapping on Video. Once your main clip has been added, you'll need to tap on the picture-in-picture icon because we're going to add 3 more copies of this clip. I'll be making this original clip look better by using an adjustment layer. If you watch to the end of the video, I'll show you how to use an adjustment layer to make your video clips black and white once you've improved them a little bit. This clip was shot on my iPhone in front of a big window. That's why the lighting's not good. When you're shooting footage like this, you want to shoot the best footage possible because there's only so much you can do with editing, no matter what app you use. Add another copy of the original clip as an overlay. Tap on picture-in-picture and choose that same clip once more. To make this side-by-side comparison, you're going to want to make sure that your overlay clips are as big as the preview area, and I'm going to slide this original clip right to the left-hand side, and we're going to compare it to the other 2 clips that I'm going to make once we're done. You can copy that same clip and move the clip over into the middle. This is going to be the second clip. However, you may not be able to see the first picture-in-picture clip that I added, so the next thing that you'll have to do is select that second picture-in-picture clip, the one you're going to perform the adjustment on, swipe over and select cropping from the main toolbar, and then crop the left-hand side over like this so that you can see the clip to the left of it. Next, tap on Filter, then tap on Adjust, bring the lightness up, bring the contrast down. That already looks better. The next thing I'm going to do is tap on Warmth and bring it all the way up. That looks much better than the original. The next thing you need to do is reposition the clip that you just adjusted and make another copy of it and slide it over, and you have your 3 clips side by side. Tap copy one more time and then just slide the clip over. Because I copied my second clip that I cropped the left and right hand sides of, I don't need to crop the 3rd clip. To make a black and white video, go to the adjustment section again, tap on saturation, and bring it all the way down to the left. Do you think that using the adjustment layer actually makes this clip look better? Let me know in the comments below. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.